Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to talk about something that's made a huge difference in how I work, create, and even earn online. And that's learning how to actually use AI. Not just playing around with ChatGPT or trying random tools, but really understanding how to use AI to automate tasks, generate content, boost productivity, and even build digital products. That's where AI Mastery in 60 Days comes in, and I've been seriously impressed by what it offers. It's a complete step-by-step guide that teaches you how to master the most useful AI tools out there. And it does it in just 15 minutes a day. No fluff, no tech overwhelm, no need for a background in programming. You just follow the daily lessons, and you start applying what you learn right away. I found it super practical and honestly kind of addicting. Each lesson builds on the last, and before you know it, you're doing things you didn't even think were possible without a full tech team behind you. But here's the part that really stood out for me. Not only do you learn how to use AI, you also get full license rights to the entire program. That means you can rebrand it, sell it, and keep 100% of the profits. So you're not just learning, you're also walking away with a product you can use to grow your business or start a brand new income stream. If you're someone who's curious about AI but hasn't known where to start, this is the perfect place. Everything is laid out simply, and it's all designed to be actionable from day one. If you want to learn more about AI Mastery in 60 days, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.